everybody is saying different things. This skill is the best, this skill is the best. But let me tell you why I believe that video editing and video creation is the base skill for the next century. But first of all, who am I and why am I talking about this? I have been editor for a long time for guys like Sebastian Georgiou. For example, we created this video for him, so I know what I'm talking about. Let's start with first principle thinking, which means that we break down everything to its core components to understand where we are right now, what are the basic true things, and then we can build up from there. And this is important because this is the way you can understand it really in your brain. Okay, this is what is going on right now and this is what I have to do. So we are living in attention economy, which means people who own attention make all the money. You see it everywhere. Iman Gadzhi, you see it in Alex Hormozy, you see it everybody. We can say like The Rock, who is launching a tequila brand. A tequila brand wouldn't do anything without The Rock. Or Conor McGregor with the whiskey brand. It wouldn't do numbers without Conor McGregor. Kylie Jenner, another solid example. You always hear these examples because this is the truth. People who own attention make all the money. The reason this is happening is because advertisement is king in today's world. And this means that the most attention get the most advertisement. So think about this. YouTube shows ads between videos and MrBeast gets a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs watching the videos, and that means that all those eyeballs see the ad and they buy from that. So if you want to run up a tequila brand or you want to run up a whiskey brand, you have to put it in front of a lot of people who care about this brand to make it work. And this is why most attention equals most advertisement. People want to advertise where the attention is. Otherwise, why would they advertise? Then the logical question becomes, how do people get attention? And in today's world, that is through media, which is photos and videos. But videos are more engaging, so we are talking about videos. And then comes the $1,000,000 question. Which videos get attention? Videos that are good to watch. And that means that it can give you enjoyment or it can give you knowledge, and it is easy to consume. And these three things are the key to making a video that is good to watch. It has to be easy to watch, and it can give you enjoyment, or it can give you knowledge. So let's go to the next question. How to make good videos? You have to think about it like food in restaurant. The topic of the video is like the item on the menu. The viewer has to love it. And good content are like fresh ingredients which they use to cook up the food. And the good presentation is the actual food that comes out on the plate and you eat that. And this is very important because you can have the best ingredients, but it can be still overcooked or it can be on bad portion sizes. And in case of bad portion sizes, it's actually cooked well, it's actually good to eat, but if there are bad portion sizes, it ruins the whole meal. So what is cooking in media? It's video editing. And this is why I believe it's the most important skill of 21st century. It's not just video editing, it's the video creation, the whole creating media. And I'm not talking about fancy editing here, I'm talking about storytelling, structure, audio, and visuals. It's not about fancy animations and fancy editing. So if you can create good videos, you can get attention. If you can create good videos that tell a story, that has a great structure, that has good audio, and that has good visuals, you will get attention. People will listen to it because it gives them knowledge or enjoyment, and it's easy to watch. This is one of the most important part. It's easy to watch, and you can do this if you know how to edit videos. But there is a problem. Not everybody can learn video editing. Just not everybody can sit down and learn video editing. Not everybody wired this way, or they have other things going on, so not everybody can learn it, but everybody needs media attention. So not everybody is a video editor, but everybody needs a good video editor. So if you can become one, people will always need you. And this problem turns into an opportunity, into a great opportunity. But there is another problem. More and more people starting to realize this and starting to learn it themselves. And if you can make yourself unique, you will compete on the price of the video. And that's crazy because you know an insane skill, but you get paid $200 for a video, which takes 2 or 3 days to create. And this is the typical video editor in 2024. Like, this is what they do. They just compete on price. Oh, this guy can do it for 300? Okay, I will do it for 200. Oh, he said 150. Okay, I will do this for 50. You know what? I will do this for free because it's good in my portfolio. This is a typical editor right now. And I know a lot of people who are saying like, okay, you can become a millionaire as an editor. But really think about this. Like, think about this. If you create one video a day and you get paid $300, how can you increase your money making? How can you become a millionaire? You have to make more videos, or you have to increase the price. And if you make one video every single day for $300, you are making 9 grand a month. And that is impossible. Like, this will never happen. You won't make one video a day, like a long form video a day. So this means that you have to make more videos, which is impossible, or you have to increase the price. But how can you increase the price if other editors are saying, I will do this cheap, or I will do this for free? It's very hard. We are not at the point in society where people understand that editing is what takes a good video to a great one. Like, editors who are not just video editors, but actually video creators who know how to create videos, they are very valuable. Like, these video editors who do more than video editing are insanely valuable people. So what can you do in this position? You can, one, make yourself different. You can have unique knowledge, unique personal experiences. So you are like different than everybody else. But you have to play in this. You have to make yourself different. You are not just another video editor. You are something else. It's kind of like Nike versus Puma. Like, Nike is different for some reason. You just, oh, it's Nike. But why? Like, actually, it's just shoes. Why is Nike different? It's the same fucking shit. So you have to think about it this way. And then, the two, you have to stack skills. It's not just about video editing anymore, as I said previously. Because what's better than one useful skill? Many useful skills. So I want to show you all the opportunities. Okay, maybe not all the opportunities, but the opportunities that I have experience in that takes video editing as the base skill and puts it on the next level. First of all, we have YouTube automation. This is where you have to learn not just video editing, but the whole video creation process, ideation, thumbnails, and script writing. And then you can make a pretty good money in YouTube automation. Of course, it's very hard skills to learn. All this is very hard to learn, but this is just showing you that if you have the video editing skills, how many different opportunities you have, and a lot more than this right here. The next thing is you can become these IPGA growth operator, things like this, who work with info products and help other info products owners scale their business or create their own info product. And for that, you need video editing and video creation skills, but you need product creation as well, community management and funnel creation. But if you have the video creation skills and the video editing skills, you know what to post, you know how to post, it just becomes so much easier to do it. Or you can go in real life and do video production. You can pick up the camera and learn how to use the camera and then shoot weddings, shoot events. Or if you want to live the online lifestyle and just scale the video editing and video creation process, you can just start a content agency, and you have to learn HR for that, because then you just hire multiple editors and just edit a bunch of fucking videos. I'm going to be honest, I don't like this. Of course, you can start your own brand, create your own videos, create your own personal brand, which is very powerful, but very hard. And for that, you need a transformation. This is not a skill, but you need to have something happen to you where you transformed your life. You went from point A to point B, because that is what makes your brand something valuable. You went from here to here. You did this to this. And other people who want to do the same, they will join you. These are online educators in a nutshell. Of course, you can go into the entertaining route, which is a completely different game, or you can become a content manager and you just find clips, create channels for like streamers, just compile and build their brand on different platforms and then funnel them into the live stream. Now, as you see, these are many different opportunities in many different fields, but all starts with video editing and video creation. Again, it's not just video editing, you sitting down and pressing buttons, it's the whole video creation process. You knowing how to create good videos. And you have to remember this. Harder the problem you solve, the more you get paid. This is very important. And as you've seen before, everything starts with video editing. Turning shit media into good media. Or better, creating good media from zero, from nothing. And don't get me wrong here, you can make money with only editing, and that's how I started. And this is the biggest change in my life yet. This has brought me the biggest change. Making money online, video editing, and actually living a good life because of video editing. Like, anybody can get to 3K a month with just you editing yourself. That is the first step. You have to learn video editing and video creation and you have to get paid to do it, and you have to get happy clients. For me, it got to the point where you can put anything in front of me. You can put like an online coach's video, or you can put like a Mr. Beast type of video, or you can put like a roof company's case study video, and I can turn it into good media. It doesn't matter what you put in front of me, I can turn it into good media. And this is the first step that you have to do. Turning it to good media, because good media gets attention and attention gets money. So just come back when this is done and then think about all these opportunities and where you want to go next. What do you enjoy next? And again, I did all of these. I did all of these. Good media means that it gets attention and it gets money. And to create good media, there has to be a good video creator who knows how to do this. And this is why I believe this is the most valuable skill in the entire world right now. And if you really think about this and you like, oh, but this guy said that this is better, or this guy said that copywriting is better skill, how did that guy tell you that copywriter is better skill? Maybe through YouTube? And how did he do it through YouTube? With media, with video. He told you in a video that copywriting is better. So he used good media to sell you that copywriting is better. So isn't good media the most important thing in like today's world? And maybe video editing is oversaturated, but a good video editor and a good video creator is something very unique.